quickest way to find the latest installed version of the .NET Framework? I always forget what versions of the .NET Framework and their service packs I've got installed. Whenever I need to find out, I end up trawling through a long list of updates performed by Windows Update, or, failing that, looking in Add Remove programs. Is there a quicker way?
From Microsoft. How to determine which versions of the .NET Framework are installed. To determine which versions of the .NET Framework are installed, locate the %systemroot %\microsoft.net/framework folder. To open this folder, you can paste this address into a Windows Explorer address bar. The following folders contain the released versions of the .NET Framework: version 3.5, version 3.0, v2.0.50, v1.1, 43, v1.0.3705. To determine which versions of the .NET Framework are installed on a computer, follow these steps. Open any one of the folders in the previous list. Right-click the mscorelib.dll file, and then click Properties. Click the Version tab, and then note the file version. Use the previous list to determine which version of the .NET Framework is installed on the computer, and then click OK. Repeat these steps for each version of the .NET Framework on the computer.
.NET 2.00 Detect .NET version.
Scott Hanselman created a nice web page, which tells you which .NET Framework is installed and which one to download if it's not the current one.
My favorite tool for detecting installed .NET versions is a soft .NET version detector. It tells you all versions currently installed, including service packs and the client profile version. Nothing to install, just an executable.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.